like that. I can see some now. I feel like nobody's gonna fall. Can't believe you did, actually.
Go! Go! You're not getting happy.
One more time.
Come here. You're doing a great job, RJ.
Come on, Alan, one more time.
Yeah, pick your wedgie. Good job.
It's important.
Come here. Look at Richard. Look at Richard's stupid face.
Yes.
Come here. Come on.
Can't put him in the Ranger jersey next time.
He wanted to wear this one today. I tried to get him to wear it.
Oh, that's... Yeah. We're a hurricane team tonight. How's your butt?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?